Alright guys, in a run this for Bobblehead Jake, got the Charlie Brown Peanuts from last year. Right up here, 20 at 5, type live. We are live. 3:02 p.m. Sunday, June 24th. 3:02 p.m. Sunday, June 24th. Grab list, 20 spots. And we will drop that into random. 20 entries, Daniel on the bottom, Ollie on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 10. We're going 10 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times. Dice shows a 10. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 10. Congrats to Matt. Spot number 18. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and get your bobblehead. We are done. 3:03 p.m. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 3:03 p.m. 3:03 p.m. Here is the verification code, and here is the timestamp.